In today's video, I'll teach you how to post text on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Initially, you'll be to this kind of interface. If you would like to post the text, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to see what's on your mind written over here. What you have to do is simply tap on this box. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to create the post. What you have to do is simply tap on this field. Now you can enter your text over here. You can also tap on the color icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to choose the style. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you can see over here that particular style will be selected. You can also add the music if you want. For that, tap on this option, add music. After you do that, you'll be able to add the music over here. After you're done, tap on the done option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll also be able to set the audience. Right now only me is selected for me. So what you have to do is simply tap on the option that is selected for you. Now you'll be able to select the privacy settings of this particular post. Tap on the option of your choice and tap on the option done. Likewise, you'll also be able to tag the people at the location, feeling or activity, album, etc. After you're done, tap on the post option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here your post was shared. So like this, you'll be able to post the text. So that is how you post text on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.